Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm just showing here how I pre-part my client's hair in preparation for her medium knotless braids. So this time we decided to do the back separate from the front. You guys can see with the front, they're all twisted, ready to go. And the back, you can see she has nice long healthy hair, nice head of hair to braid, but I find that parting helps in terms of timing and also efficiency, just make it quick and easy to go. So I'm just going to tuck these away with a clip and start with the bottom. I know a lot of people start braiding at the bottom, but I can tell you guys, you really could start at the front if you want to, especially when your hair is free parted like this. You can start at the front, but I just like to start at the back and then work my way up to the front. Okay, if you want to see the results, please come back. I will post another video with the final result of our medium size mid-back knotless braids. Any questions, as always, don't forget to send me a message, write a comment, and I'll be sure to respond to you guys as soon as possible. Bye.
Saves the best for last.